Hello, you're welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how we can get the lineament from the DEM. So we're going to make use of PC Geometrica. You have to download it. After you download it, then click on Focus. It's going to open. Cancel this, then come to Tools, Algorithm Library. Then you can come here, then you search for it. Come to find, then you search for this line lineament extraction. When you search for it, then you want to find it. When you find it, you click on it. Right? I think it's going to be on the so just search it. It will be somewhere here. Analysis. Just check for it. It will be line lineament extraction. Then open. Then you say browse. After browse, then we'll go back to our desktop. We'll go to Qt, then we'll go to the DEM. Then you need to clear input files. Click to browse this part. Then we'll go to Qt2 DEM. Now this is what we have. Therefore, go down a bit. We are going to get our DEM TIF. This is our DEM DIF. The one we have TIF format. Then open. Once that is open, all you need to do is to click on input. When click on input, you can see a lot of parameters we can vary, like the filter radius. You can maybe change this to 20 and see. Let's run. Program is going to run. Okay, then close this one. Files, we select the files. We want to first select the file here. This is the file, then put. There we say run. We select the files. How to select the file, which is this, then this, then run. Let's see. You see, so this is what we have. I think we can go with this. It's our lineament. Okay, so this will be okay for lineament that we have extracted. All you need to do is to click on this lineament, right click, then go here, default line. You see, this is the default line. Save as. Save as. Now we're going to check out arc view shape files. Then you file location, you have to go back a bit under shape file, which we call the lineament DEM. Save DEM X. Okay, no need, they'll put save. Okay, it has closed, so I set it at 20. If there is a small, I'm going to get more, so I set it at 20. It's enough for you to get. But we need to remove this border ones. So go to our ArcGIS data. Now you see the lineament DEM is this. See, they have now come. So we need to remove these edges ones. All you need to do is select this one, set the color to be black. So we have set the color to be black, then right click, edit feature, start editing. This, all you need to do, this, let's say edit, stop editing, start editing. Then we'll just click start editing. They'll click on it. They'll press delete on the keyboard. Click on it, press delete on the keyboard. Click on this, press delete on the keyboard. Click on this, press delete. Click on this, press delete. Click on this, press delete. These are the edges. You don't need these ones. I think we are good. Go then from the edit, save edit, stop editing. So this is moment you have. You double click on it. You see the source is 31 degree knots, and that is how we get the lineament from the digital elevation model using